The complete self. It's being said that driving is a turning point for autonomous driving. It is a highly contentious aspect of Elon Musk's Tesla approach. Imagine being able to just tell your automobile where you want to go, and it would take you there. While some despise it and believe it's just luck, others think it's really cool and can change the game. Even non-FSD enthusiasts may find using it to be cool, but some may find it to be unpleasant and not the stress-free experience they had hoped for. Millions of American drivers can now test full self-driving for free, and this could drastically alter the trajectory of the race to fully autonomous vehicles. There has been a seismic shift occurring in the automobile industry, silently amid the diversions and everyday hustle and bustle of headlines, and it's all because to Tesla. We're dissecting a revelation that is so significant that it's amazing it went unnoticed until now. It's a big assertion, but it's supported by a well-thought-out plan that is completely changing the industry. So take a seat, prepare to be astounded, and join us as we explore the groundbreaking discoveries that have solidified Tesla's position as the clear leader in automotive innovation. You won't want to miss this story. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News before we go any further. Now that we have cleared things out, let's begin this video. Although it may sound unrealistic, Tesla appears to have delivered a bombshell on the auto industry during their Q1 2024 conference call. It's about to get real. This isn't just chatter. Elon Musk and the Tesla team revealed their plan to displace other automakers on the call. Let's get down to business, beginning with their quarterly update deck. Look at these graphs, particularly the one regarding software and AI technologies. Tesla's AI training capability, expressed in H100 equivalent GPUs, is displayed in the bottom graph. It started out slowly in 2022 and 2023, but in September 2023, they really got things going. By Q12 2024, they had increased from around 5,000 H100s to roughly 35,000, with the goal of reaching 85,000 by year's end. In other words, they're getting ready for a significant advance in processing power. Now let's look at the top graph, which uses FSD beta to measure cumulative miles driven. Up until 2021, it was a sluggish crawl. After that, it took off. They traveled about 100 million miles by March 2023. When March 2024 rolled around, they had traveled about 880 million miles. Then, all of a sudden, they decided to give full self-driving supervised access for free for a month, which caused the data gathering to explode, accumulating about 200 million miles in that time. It's a data gold rush when you compare it to the 2 years it took them to obtain their first 200 million miles. And did we also mention that Tesla dropped the cost of full self-driving to $8,000 for a one-time purchase or $99 for a monthly subscription? They're increasing their processing power and making it available to everyone. People, this is a game changer. Elon Musk further states that technological constraints no longer prevent Tesla from progressing. This week, Elon Musk declared that a free month-long trial of the full self-driving capability will be available to all Tesla vehicles. At the same time as their training computing capacity has just increased dramatically, they are attempting to make this available to as many individuals as possible. According to Musk, they are no longer computationally limited. Additional proof from their quarterly update deck reveals a deliberate change in their lineup of cars. They accelerated the release of new models by utilizing both current and next-generation platforms, which included more reasonably priced options. These cars can be produced quickly on current production lines, which could result in lower cost savings but more efficient vehicle volume growth, with a goal of more than 50% more vehicles produced in 2023. Their innovative robotaxi project is adhering to an unorthodox approach to production. With existing lines, they want to introduce the $25,000 car by late 2024 or early 2025, which is earlier than anticipated. This change might allow for the production of between 1.2 and 1.4 million new cars annually without the need for more factory space or new building, guaranteeing an efficient and quick growth. Elon Musk noted on the results call that other vendors will need a considerable amount of time to implement Tesla's fully autonomous driving technology. Even if a deal were reached today, it would probably not be put into effect until 2027. Notably, with significant rewrites and architecture enhancements, software versions 12.4 and 12.55 are set to be game changers. Due to their significant improvements, Musk suggested that they should be referred to as versions 13 and 14, possibly demonstrating full self-driving safety that is twice as high as that of human drivers. Furthermore, authorities are preparing to approve the use of robot taxis in places like San Francisco and maybe Los Angeles, in line with the permissions granted to other operators of autonomous vehicles like Cruise. Let's join the dots now. Tesla is increasing its processing power and gathering enormous volumes of data for full self-driving vehicles. The $25,000 automobile is expected to be on the market in less than a year, but they're moving quickly. Even if other manufacturers signed an agreement tomorrow, it would still take them 3 years to catch up, according to Elon Musk. What's the deal then? Imagine that by early 2025, a $25,000 vehicle would have changed everything, especially with possible tax credits. At an effective cost of between $20,000 and $22,000, it is less expensive than the typical Toyota Corolla. You already know that when prices decline, more people can afford it. Thanks to tax incentives, there has been a significant decrease from $35,000, $40,000 to the low $20,000 range, rather than a small one. However, the Tesla adventure is far from over. It's even more fascinating because every day brings new and intriguing discoveries with ups and downs. Tesla continues to draw investors into its rabbit hole for this reason. But who else is as optimistic about Tesla as you are? That would be Seeking Alpha, our sponsor for today. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's phenomenal rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for the most recent information on Tesla, Tesla stock price targets, Tesla innovation, and everything Elon Musk related for fans of the company and those who have an eye for finding the next big stock market find. Avoid the mainstream media's negative commentary about Tesla. The internet's top pro-Tesla news outlet is Seeking Alpha. Our channel might receive a commission if you click on the affiliate links in the description and make a purchase. I appreciate your help. But there's still more. Elon is hinting at ways to make your car a source of income. Yes, you heard correctly. You might just break even or even turn a profit with Tesla's robotaxi fleet and possible prospects for your car to give its processing capacity. As opposed to conventional cars, which lose value over time, these vehicles might even pay for themselves. Not to mention the safety factor. When compared to the average person driving, these automobiles are statistically safer when equipped with Tesla's autonomous software. Thus, these will not only save you money on the road, but they'll also provide you with peace of mind. Tesla is poised to upend the auto industry with its electric vehicles, while conventional automakers are hedging their bets on hybrids. These new Teslas will be more affordable than anything else available and provide unmatched quality at an unbelievable value. These cars charge for a fraction of the price you would pay at the petrol pump, so forget about expensive fuel. Additionally, you might be able to make money by leveraging their computer power or for ride-sharing services. The shocking thing is that Tesla is already light years ahead of established automakers, who are finding it difficult to catch up. Elon Musk predicts that they won't even come close for a good 3 years. Thus, Tesla will rule the market between 2025 and 2027 or 2028. Comparing a svelte Tesla to a cumbersome horse and carriage is analogous. Tesla will take advantage of every sale it can during this time. This is when the intriguing part comes in. Demand for cars will decline as more people realize they can live with one self-driving car rather than two. When one automobile can handle everything, including grocery shopping and school runs, why have two idle cars? Go inside the cybercab. Just a few thousand of these may supply the entire population when Tesla deploys them in large cities. Owning a car may become obsolete for city dwellers, and since cybercabs are less expensive than Uber, choosing them makes sense. People may join the Tesla Uber revolution and cut down from 2 automobiles to 1, even in smaller areas like Athens. In need of transportation, simply call upon a neighboring Tesla from the collection. It's a game changer that may ultimately save families a lot of money. Its computational capabilities. The already significant gap between Tesla and its rivals is